I first want to create some pages and also adjust the menu. Now, if we go to visit sites, you're going to notice that we have this website where it's changed a little bit, right? So we have this logo, we have this white background, and then we have this dark footer. Let's now create some pages and then add them to the menu. Let's go over here to our dashboard. And the first thing I want to do is create some pages. So over here, I'll click on all pages, and this is a draft page. So I'll just trash this one. Okay. And then I'll create 3 pages: the home page, the services page, and the contact page. So at the top, I'll click on add page. And for the title, I'll put home. So this is my home page. I'll click on publish and publish. Now I want to make the about us page. So here I'll click on add page, and then I'll type in about. And then I'll click on publish and publish. And lastly, we'll create the contact page. So here I'll click on add page again. And then for the title, I'll put contacts. Then I'll click on publish and publish. Now, if you go back to our website over here, I'll click on the WordPress logo and go to visit websites. You're going to notice that the pages are kind of like disorientated, and we also have this uncategorized page. So let's go ahead and adjust the menu. So going back to our dashboard, here under appearance, I'll click on menus, and then we'll give our menu a name. So this will be our main menu, and I'll click on primary menu, and then click on create menu. Once we create our menu, here on the left side under pages, I'll click on view all, and I want to add all of the pages. Now we have 2 home pages. One of them is a custom link, so we're going to delete it. So now you'll see that we have the home page, and this one under custom link, we're going to delete this page. So to delete this off of our menu, I'll go ahead and click on this and then click on remove. And now we have the home, about, and the contacts. Now I want to make sure primary menu is selected and click on save menu. Now let's check our website out. So I'll click on visit sites. And then you'll see that we have our home, about, and our contacts. And if I click on our home page, you're going to see that it's just a blank home page.